looks back as he looks to break out in a big way in 2011. Marlon Brown arrived in Athens in 2008, ranked as high as the #2 receiver in the country coming out of high school as Tennessee's Mr. Football. But when he stepped onto the field at the collegiate level, Brown had a hard time staying on it. With the talent pool at wide receiver for the Bulldogs rich, Brown realized his high school accomplishments would not guarantee success in Athens.
Quickly changed into being a tough competitor, like every day would be glad to help younger guys.
Away from the field, Brown has some interesting observations, hobbies, and knowledge of music. He does have a firm stance on whom he believes is the most influential musician of all time.
Tupac to me. He's a poet, man. He's a poet, he's a prophet. You can call it what you want. You can say he's a bad guy, but if you really sit down and listen to Tupac, he has some words for you.
His knowledge is not limited to music either. Brown is quite the culinary expert, and he's not modest when it comes to sharing it.
I love salads. Like I'm probably the best salad maker on the team. You can quote me on that one.
But what goes into the wide receiver salad?
Eggs, ham, turkey, bacon bits, croutons here and there, a little ranch, a little bit of Italian. Great salad.
As for how Brown enjoys himself away from the kitchen, he's a TV junkie. And what he likes to watch will surprise you.
My favorite TV show is Gossip Girl. I don't know if it's weird or not, but I like it. It's funny.
But back on the football field, the 6'5", 222-pounder hopes to create a buzz when it comes to his play. The junior had all of 11 receptions a year ago. He realizes a spike in those numbers would increase the likelihood of a very successful Bulldogs season.
I'm ready. I sat down during the spring and just told myself that I got to step up, because AJ's not here and Durham's not here either. So, I got to fill that void. Next week, we will